Hi, my name is Susan Dinkle, and this is my presentation, a little bit about myself. I graduated from St. Francis Community High School in 1991, and I went on and played a couple years of college basketball, and I had a great time. Three of the most important roles I have are that of daughter, wife, and mother. Pictured here are my two children. My daughter is a senior at K-State, graduating hopefully in December with a bachelor's degree in animal science, and then she's going to apply for graduate school this fall and potentially go into nutrition or genetics. So far, she's undecided which way she wants to go. And my son just started K-State this last fall as a freshman studying agronomy. I have been a teacher at St. Francis Community Schools for 23 years. I enjoy golf. Any sort of sport, I'm usually watching it. I enjoy spending time with my friends, and I love going to K-State games. A little bit about my educational background. Once I graduated high school and I got the basketball degree or basketball offer, I went and played 2 years at Pratt, and I got my associate's degree in marketing. When I left high school, I really wanted to live in New York City, work on Wall Street. That was kind of what my goal was. And between my freshman and sophomore year, I came home and I actually taught swimming lessons, and I loved the educational side of things. So what I decided I was going to do is when I left Pratt, I decided that I wanted to go into education. And so that led me to a bachelor's degree in secondary education business from K-State. And then in 2006, I decided I was going to complete my master's in curriculum and instruction from Emporia State. Or that's when I completed it. I actually started it in 2002. I had just had a baby and I got my ESL certification or endorsement that year. And all of those hours actually I could transfer into my master's degree. And so I went ahead and completed that. Some personal goals I have: in 1 to 5 years, I'd like to finish my administration certificate. I'd like to be able to travel more, see both of my kids graduate from K-State. Honestly, I don't care if it's K-State or if it's somewhere else at this point, but I just want to see them graduate. I'd like to get out of coaching and potentially get my real estate license and help my mom. In 6 to 10 years, I'd like to be debt-free. I'd like to potentially become an administrator, spend more time doing things that I enjoy, and travel more with my friends. Beyond 10 years, I'd like to be able to retire, become a grandma, and laugh more, because let's be honest, laughing keeps you young. Some professional goals I have. In 1 to 5 years, I'd like to complete my administration certificate and then potentially try my hand as a principal. Honestly, in a small town, you never know if those opportunities are going to come up. The gentleman who's currently the principal in our school district he came to our school district. He's actually a few years younger than me. And so I don't know if he's going to get out of administration within the next few years. He's kind of talked about it. But if so, I might apply. I'm content right now just being me and teaching. In 6 to 10 years, I will be ready to retire from coaching. I would like to become a principal in an area school. It wouldn't necessarily have to be in St. Francis, but in 6 to 10 years, I'd have more flexibility to be able to do that. Once I get out of coaching, now that my children are both gone, the drive wouldn't be as big of a deal. And continue to enjoy my students. I love my kids coming back to me after they've graduated and spending time with them as adults. They really get to see me, and we can develop these relationships that are so much more than just a student-teacher relationship. Beyond 10 years, I'm 48 right now, or just about, and obviously I'm going to think about retirement and what that brings. The travel, the good times with my friends, the ability to take on new tasks, and I'm so looking forward to that. This year, I actually became the scholarship coordinator for my school, and I've really enjoyed it. And so I would like to maybe potentially be a scholarship consultant for the school and continue to help do those sorts of things for the school. So why did I choose Fort Hays? Number one, it's affordable, and I think any teacher has to look at that, especially when you have children. The convenience. I am so busy. I'm busy with not only school activities, but community activities. And so the ability to be able to just go in and learn at my own pace, at whatever time of day that I need to do it, that helps out so much. We all know that Fort Hays State is a great school. Everything I've heard about the College of Education has been very, very good. And so they have a great reputation right now. Finally, it's recommended by my current administration. Both my principal and superintendent have actually gotten their master's degree in administration through Fort Hays State, and they were talking about how nice it is to be able to work with them. And so that really encouraged me to go ahead and do Fort Hays State and actually go ahead and complete this. After I'm done with this, I shouldn't have to take any more classes throughout the rest of my career, but that doesn't mean that I won't. And I just appreciate everything that, the professors or instructors have given me in terms of encouragement, instruction, and the ability to step outside of my box and think differently. Thanks for watching.